In the early hours of March 2025, Firefly Aerospace made history by successfully landing its Blue Ghost lunar module on the Moon, in the Mare Crisium region. The event, which took place at 3:34 a.m. EST, sparked celebrations at the Mission Operations Center in Texas, United States, where engineers, families, and friends erupted in hugs and cheers during a live broadcast. After years of preparation, the American company accomplished a soft landing on the lunar surface on its first attempt, a feat not achieved by U.S. technology since the Apollo era ended in the 1970s. This milestone highlights the growing role of the private sector in space exploration and paves the way for new scientific missions. The journey to this triumph was both long and meticulous. Launched on January 15, 2025, aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, the Blue Ghost shared its ride with the Resilience module from Japan's iSpace, symbolizing collaboration among space companies. It reached lunar orbit on February 13th after a successful lunar orbit insertion burn lasting over 4 minutes. Following several maneuvers, the module settled into a low, nearly circular orbit of 100 km by 100 kilometers on February 24th. The final descent, initiated just over an hour before touchdown, was a tense moment, with the team maintaining near silence until the chief engineer, Will, announced the victorious landing. The Blue Ghost is part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services, CLPS, program, an initiative leveraging private companies to deliver scientific experiments to the Moon. Equipped with 10 NASA-designed payloads, the module is tasked with gathering data on lunar dust, subsurface thermal conditions, and Earth's magnetic field from the lunar surface. The Mare Crisium landing site, located on the Moon's near side, was carefully chosen for its ideal conditions, enabling studies that will deepen understanding of both the Moon and Earth. Years of dedication paid off with the flawless landing of the Blue Ghost, reflecting Firefly Aerospace's technical precision. Based in Cedar Park, Texas, the company invested extensive effort into developing a module capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of space and the lunar surface. CEO Jason Kim praised the team's composure during the descent, noting that every step unfolded without a hitch. Sensors on 3 of the module's 4 landing legs confirmed initial contact with the surface, kicking up lunar dust that Kim described as a tangible sign of their achievement. The Blue Ghost's journey began with its January launch, but fine-tuning continued for weeks in orbit. The lunar orbit insertion burn on February 13th was followed by a series of adjustments to position the module in a stable, low orbit. Ray Allensworth, Firefly's spacecraft program director, described the descent as breathtaking, particularly during the final 12 minutes, which included critical phases like powered descent initiation and the pitchover maneuver. The absence of anomalies during this period was key to the mission's success. Beyond its technical achievement, the landing holds economic significance. NASA's CLPS program aims not only to expand scientific knowledge, but also to foster a developing cislunar economy, encompassing commercial activities between Earth and the Moon. Nikki Fox, Associate Administrator of NASA's Science Mission Directorate, emphasized the strategic importance of the landing site, which will enable vital measurements for future explorations, particularly at the lunar South Pole, a priority for crewed missions.